Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I am Sangeeta studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about a concepts in object-oriented concepts of Java. And today's contents are Introduction to Classes and Objects, what is a class and what is an object, method overloading, method overriding, and the conclusion. Introduction to Classes and Objects. In Java, classes and objects are fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming. Classes serve as blueprint for creating objects, while objects are instances of class that encapsulate data and behavior. This guide will provide a comprehensive understanding of classes, objects, and their significance in Java programming. What is a class? Blueprint for objects. A class in Java is a blueprint that defines the data and behavior of objects. It encapsulates attributes and methods that describes the object's characteristics and actions. Reusability and modularity. Classes promote code reusability and modularity by enabling the creation of multiple objects based on the same blueprint. This fosters a structured and organized approach to software development. What is an object? It is an instance of a class. An object is an instance of a class representing a specific entity with its own unique state. It is an attributes and behavior methods. It encapsulates the data and functionality defined by its class. Runtime entity. Objects exist at runtime and interact with objects to perform tasks and manipulate data. They enable the implementation of real-world entities and their interactions in the software environment. Creating a class in Java. Syntax. The syntax for creating a class in Java involves using the keyword class followed by the class name and a pair of curly braces to enclose the class body. The class keyword should be used followed by class name. Class name may be anything, but it should not be any keyword in Java. Access modifiers. Classes members are defined with specific access modifiers such as public, private, or protected to control the visibility and accessibility of those members. Defining class variables and methods. Variables in the class. Class variables, also known as fields, represent the attributes of the class. These variables can store the state of the object. Methods. Class methods define the behavior and actions that the object can perform. They encapsulate the functionality of the class. Creating an object from a class. Instantiation. The process of creating an object from a class is known as instantiation. It involves allocating memory for the object and initializing its attributes and methods. Initializing object properties. Constructor. Object properties are initialized using a special method called a constructor. This method has the same name as the class as is responsible for setting initial values. The constructors is a special method. The constructor name and the class name will be same. Accessing object properties and methods. Encapsulation. Encapsulation allows the object's internal state to be accessed and modified through defined methods, preserving data integrity. Getter and setter methods. Getter methods retrieve the values of object properties, while setter method modify or update those values. Introduction to method overloading and overriding. What is method overloading? Method overloading actually occurs when there is two or more methods having same name but different attributes. Definition of method overloading. Method overloading enables a class to have more than one method having the same name if their parameter lists are different. Usage of method overloading. It helps to perform different tasks in a single class. Addition of number, string concatenation, and etc. are the examples. Implementation. It's determined at compile time based on the method signature and arguments provided at the time of method call. Example of method overloading in Java. Public class addition. Public is an access specifier and class is a keyword. Addition is a class name. Void add int a comma b. It is a function which have two attributes, it is a and b. So here system.out.println of a plus b. Here we are printing a plus b. We are having one more functions which have same function name as add, but it consists of three attributes. It is int a, int b and int c. System.out.println a plus b plus c. Here they does not collapse between the two functions, but first function performs the function with only two attributes and the second function performs with three attributes. Benefits of method overloading. Code reusability reduces complexity and redundancy in code by reusing the same method name with different implementations. Enhances readability, improves code clarity and provides easy to understand syntax for developers. What is method overloading? Method overriding is a concept that occurs in Java when subclass and a parent class have a same attribute. Definition: method overriding allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by one of its parent class. Usage: it is used to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by its superclass. Example of method overriding in Java: class animal, void sound, system.out.println some sound. Class dog extends animal, void sound, system.out.println of. It is an example for method overriding. Here the main class is animal, that is a parent class, and here dog is a subclass of animal. So here subclass dog and the parent class animal both consist of a same method, that is void sound. This type of examples are known as method overriding. Differences between method overloading and method overriding. Parameter overloading changes the parameter list while overriding maintains the same parameter list. Usage: overloading is resolved at compile time and overriding is resolved at runtime. Relationship: overloading occurs in the same class and overriding occurs in parent-child relationship. When to use method overloading and method overriding? Method overloading can be used when functionality is similar and only the method signature has to be changed. Method overriding can be used when a subclass wants to provide a specific implementation for a method declared in the parent class. Thank you.